Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. First, begin with freshly washed, damp hair. This allows the cream to absorb effectively and provide maximum benefits. Divide your hair into 4 to 6 sections, depending on its thickness and length. This simple step ensures that every strand receives an even application of the nourishing cream, preparing your hair for styling. Now, let's apply the cream. Take a small, pea-sized amount of the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream into your hand. Rub your palms together to emulsify the product, warming it slightly. Gently work the cream through each section of your hair, starting from the roots and moving down to the ends. Pay special attention to your mid-lengths and ends, as these areas often need the most moisture and care. Once the cream is evenly distributed, you can proceed with your preferred styling method. Whether you air dry, blow dry, or braid your hair, the cream works beautifully. It offers a light, natural hold without any stiffness or crunchiness. You'll notice a significant reduction in frizz and an increase in your hair's natural luster, leaving it looking healthy and vibrant all day long. For daily maintenance, a tiny amount of cream can refresh your style. If your hair feels a bit dry or needs a quick boost, simply apply a pea-sized amount to those specific areas. This helps to maintain moisture and keep your hair looking its best between washes. Remember to store your Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream in a cool, dry place to preserve its efficacy and extend its shelf life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.